Hello friends, this is Chanti from infobuddy.com and welcome to our YouTube channel Team Infobuddy. Today I will tell you one trick about how to find the square root of a number. This trick will ideally use it for 4 digits perfect squares and 5 digit perfect squares. In order to find the square root of a number, you need to know the squares from 1 to 10 and also remember the unit digit of all these squares. What are the squares and what are the last digits? 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9, 4 square 16, 5 square 25, 6 square 36, 7 square 49, 8 square 64, 9 square 81, 10 square is 100. What are the last digits? 1, 4, 9, 6, 5, 6, 9, 4, 1, 0. This will represent in a tabular form. Please listen carefully. It contains two sections. One is the questions section and another one is the answers section. If the question contains last digit is 1, the answer's last digit will be either 1 or 9. If the last digit of the question is 4, the answer's last digit will be either 2 or 8. If the last digit of the question is 5, the last digit of the answer will be only 5. If the last digit of the question is 6, the answer's last digit will be either 4 or 6. If the last digit of the question is 9, the answer's last digit will be either 3 or 7. What about the numbers 2, 3, 7, 8? Remember, a perfect square not ends with either of these numbers 2, 3, 7 and 8. That's why please ignore these numbers. Let's learn some square root shortcuts by taking different examples. Once we solve the sums, you will know the importance of this. Now we have to find the square root of given number. What is the given number? 729. First of all, group the last pair of digits and the rest of the digits together. Since the last digit of the question is 9, then we can say the last digit of the answer will be either 3 or 7. Let's take 2 dashes, write down 3 or 7. Now ignore the last 2 digits of the given number. What is the remaining part of the number? Remaining part of the number is 7. Now we have to find the 7 from these squares. 7 lies in between 4 and 9. Among these, 2 is the smallest number. Hence we can take 2 is the 10th digit of the answer. Now clearly we can say the answer will be either 23 or 27. Now we have to find the exact unit digit. For this we can take this 10th digit of the answer. Now multiply it with its next number, that is 3. We will get the answer 6. Surely the answer 6 is less than the remaining part of the number. Hence we can take bigger number is the square root of given number, that is 27 is square root of 729. Let's take another example. Square root of 59, 29. First of all, pair the last 2 digits and the rest of the digits together. 29, 59. Since the last digit of the question is 9, so last digit of the answer will be either 3 or 7. Let's take 2 dashes, write down 3 or 7 in last dash. Now ignore the last 2 digits of the number. What is the remaining part of the number? Remaining part of the number is 59. Now the 59 is lies in between 49 and 64. Hence we can take the smallest number is the 10th digit of the answer, that is 7. Now easily say either 73 or 77 will be the answer. For this we can take the 10th digit of the answer, that is 7, and multiply it with its next number, that is 8. We will get 56, which is less than the remaining part of the number. 56 is less than, what is the remaining part of the number? That is 59. Hence we can say the bigger number is the answer. What is the bigger number? 77. So 77 is square root of 59, 20. Let's take another example. A 5 digit perfect square. Find square root of 21,609. First step, group the last 2 digits and the rest of the digits. Since question has 9 in its units place, hence the answer's unit place will be either 3 or 7. Right? 3 or 7 here. Now ignore the last 2 digits of the number. What is the remaining part of the number? Remaining part of the number is 216. 216 is lies in between 196 and 225. Now take smallest number between these two. What is the smallest number? It is 14. Now take 14 is the remaining part of the answer. Now 143 or 147 will be the answer. For this we have to find the exact unit digit. For this we can take 14 and multiply it with its next number 15. It is 210. Now compare this result with the remaining part of the number. 210 is surely less than 216. Hence the answer will be a bigger number. What is the bigger number? That is 147. So 147 is square root of 21,609. In this way, we can find square root of 4-digit perfect squares, 5-digit perfect square. In all these 3 examples, the last digit is only 9 itself. That's why take another example with example number 4. Find the square root of 1296. Square root of 1296. First of all, group the last 2 digits of the given number and the rest of the digits. What are the last 2 digits? 96. Rest of the digits 12. Now the question has 6 in its units place. If the question has 6 in its units place, the answer's unit digit must be either 4 or 6. Let's take 2 dashes. Write down the 4 or 6 in its units place of the answer. Now ignore the last 2 digits. What is the remaining part of the number? That is 12. Lies in between 9 and 16. So we can take smallest number of 3. Hence 3 is the 10th digit of the answer. Either 34 or 36 will be the square root of 1296. We have to take the 10th place number. What it is? 3. Multiply 3 with its next number, that is 4. We will get the result 12. Now compare 12 with remaining part of the number. 12 is equal to the remaining part of the number. In this case, both the numbers are equal. For this type of cases, also we can take the bigger number as answer. That is 36. 36 is square root of 1296. If the number less than remaining part of the number, we can take the smaller number. If the number is equal to the remaining part of the number, we can take the bigger number. If the number greater than remaining part of the number, we can take the bigger number is the answer. These are the square root of perfect squares. What about the square root of non-perfect squares? Imperfect squares. Let's take square root of 19. Our aim is to find square root of 19. 19 is not a perfect square. That's why we can divide 19 to its nearest square. That is 16 plus the remaining number is 9. Again 19 is 25 minus 6. Formula to find imperfect squares. Please note down root of x plus or minus y is equal to square root x plus or minus y by 2 into square root of x. This is important to find imperfect squares. So square root of 16 plus 3 and square root of 25 minus 6. So it is like square root of x plus y. That means root of x plus y means 3 divided by 2 into root of x means root of 60. So that is equal to root of 16 means 4 plus 3 by 2 into root of 16 means 4. That is equal to 4 plus 3 by 2 4s are 8. That is equal to 4 plus 3 by 8 means 0.375. What we will get? 4.375 is the root of 19 answer. Second, it is looks like root of x minus y. That means root of 25 minus 6 divided by 2 into root of 25 means x minus y. Root of x minus y divided by 2 into root x. That is equal to root of 25 means 5 minus 6 divided by 2 into root of 25 means 5. That is equal to 5 minus 6 by 2 5s are 10. 5 minus 6 by 10 means we can write it as 0.6. Subtract 0.6 from 5, we will get 4.4. Hence the answer will be either 4.375 or 4.4. In this way, we can find the square root of a non-perfect square numbers. These are the square root of perfect squares and square root of non-perfect square. Thank you for watching InfoBuddy. Please do subscribe to our channel Team InfoBuddy and don't forget to click the bell icon for notifications.